30 sports action verbs for beginners. Learn English vocabulary for sports. Run, run. I like to run in the park every morning. I like to run in the park every morning. Jump, jump. He can jump high during basketball practice. He can jump high during basketball practice. Swim, swim. He loves to swim in the ocean on hot days. He loves to swim in the ocean on hot days. Kick, kick. I will kick the ball to my teammate. I will kick the ball to my teammate. Catch, catch. They will catch the frisbee together. They will catch the frisbee together. Throw, throw. He can throw the ball really far. He can throw the ball really far. Lift, lift. She needs to lift weights to build strength. She needs to lift weights to build strength. Play, play. We play soccer every Saturday. We play soccer every Saturday. Race, race. They decided to race each other on the track. They decided to race each other on the track. Stretch, stretch. It's important to stretch before exercising. It's important to stretch before exercising. Dive, dive. He can dive into the pool from the diving board. He can dive into the pool from the diving board. Cycle, cycle. I enjoy cycling along the river path. I enjoy cycling along the river path. Skate, skate. She loves to skate at the ice rink. She loves to skate at the ice rink. Climb, climb. They will climb the mountain this weekend. They will climb the mountain this weekend. Dribble, dribble. He learned to dribble the basketball smoothly. He learned to dribble the basketball smoothly. Hike, hike. We plan to hike the trail in the national park. We plan to hike the trail in the national park. Box, box. He trains to box every afternoon. He trains to box every afternoon. Dance, dance. She takes lessons to dance ballet. She takes lessons to dance ballet. Roll. Roll. He likes to roll on the grass during playtime. He likes to roll on the grass during playtime. Balance. Balance. She can balance on one foot for a long time. She can balance on one foot for a long time. Sprint. Sprint. He needs to sprint to catch the bus. He needs to sprint to catch the bus. Tackle. Tackle. In football, players tackle each other to gain possession. In football, players tackle each other to gain possession. Exercise. Exercise. I try to exercise at least 3 times a week. I try to exercise at least 3 times a week. Jog. Jog. She enjoys jogging in the early morning. She enjoys jogging in the early morning. Skim. Skim. He likes to skim across the water while wakeboarding. He likes to skim across the water while wakeboarding. Train. Train. They train hard for the upcoming competition. They train hard for the upcoming competition. Compete. Compete. I want to compete in the marathon next year. I want to compete in the marathon next year. Participate. Participate. She will participate in the school sports day. She will participate in the school sports day. Win. Win. Our team hopes to win the fencing championship this season. Our team hopes to win the fencing championship this season. Cheer. Cheer. The fans cheer loudly for their favorite team. The fans cheer loudly for their favorite team.